Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market and let's analyze the Nifty 50 chart to find out important weekly levels. Along with that, I will share today the Q1 earnings from the TCS and important updates and dividend and everything about the TCS. We'll share everything. So to know the Nifty 50 level and TCS update, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market updates. So we'll go for the Nifty 50 chart, but first of all, let me share the Q1 earnings posted by TCS. So TCS has posted their Q1 earnings on Friday, and their profit is actually down by 2.7%, 2.7% Q on Q, and revenue is up by 2.2%. So you can see on your screen that profit profit is this is q on q comparison, and profit is around 13,349 crore profit, and earlier it was 13,718 crore. So 2.7% profit is down, which is of course slightly negative. Revenue is definitely up, and it is around 72,275, and earlier on Q and Q अगर कंपैरिजन करें तो 26 में it was 70,698 means 700 70,700 crore के around था revenue, and it is really up by 2.2%, which is actually I can say flat. EBIT EBIT is 17,317 crore in this Q1, which was earlier 17,870 crore. So this is also down, and EBIT is down by 3.1%, down with more than 3%. This is also negative, and EBIT margin, which is very important to know, and this is around 23.96% in 27 Q1 27, जो कि earlier it was 25.3%, and this is again down. So earnings though is not looking that good, but you will surprise to know that uh, on Friday, after Q1 earnings, Q1 update, the TCS was up more than 4%. TCS was up around 4% on Friday after Q1 earning update. So sometimes it happens like this. Q1 is not that good, but still the stock goes up. But sometimes Q1 is good, still stocks go stocks go down. So this depends on टाइम टू टाइम. तो TCS के बारे में आई विल टॉक समथिंग मोर, बिकॉज TCS is already 57% down from its high. High was around 4,500, and TCS is trading around 2,000 something. So 2,000 is very very important support. You should be really aware about this support level of 2,000, because if TCS is breaking 2,000, I don't know, it is going to fall more, and already it is down by 57%. So you can imagine, मतलब 57-60% के अराउंड ऑलरेडी स्टॉक कोई गिर चुका है, एंड यू नो द निफ्टी आईटी कंडीशन, निफ्टी आईटी सेक्टर जो होता है वो भी बहुत डाउन चल रहा है अराउंड 40%, और सारे लाइक IT leader, and TCS is IT giant, I can say, or all the IT stocks are bleeding. They are totally down, even more than 40 to 50%. TCS, of course, if it is down 57%, you might be thinking, should we invest, or should still we should actually stay away from this stock. So I will definitely say you should actually opt for wait and watch policy, because Q1 is okay, not that good, but stock, yes, and stock has announced the 12 rupees per share dividend also, interim dividend. I will say IT sector is not doing well. IT stocks are not doing good. Even no IT stock I can see in फी हो या फिर ये हो या फिर mid cap stocks, IT stocks हो, they all are not performing at all. So I will never advise that you should jump in this stock. Though this stock is large cap, top five company of India, and large cap market cap is high. Everything is good. Dividend yield is also very good. Stock fundamental is very strong, but still stock if not performing, why should we go for it? Till it is, yes, till it is not taking any good reversal, good retracement from the support I just mentioned, 2000 is very very crucial support. We need to watch on that support. If it is breaking this and going down, then just stay away from it. If it's taking reversal from there from 2000, we should still we should watch it. This is the disclaimer. Do not jump in without any reversal, without any good sign, and let the IT sector recover a little bit. But yes, TCS is definitely down, and trading trading around like 6 year back. It was trading on COVID time. COVID time, it was trading around 1500 to 1600, and again it is going to the same level. I can say 6 year में कोई भी रिटर्न टीसीएस ने नहीं दिया है. 4500 पे गया था, बट फ्रॉम देयर अगेन इट इज बैक टू द सेम लेवल ऑफ 2000. So watch this stock, but do not do not be in a FOMO, and watch with patience. So this was overall information about the TCS Q1 update, dividend update, the important support I just mentioned, important support of TCS, which is 2000. Now we'll quickly go for the Nifty 50 chart, and you can see I've drawn these important lines, which is very important to understand why I've drawn, because this is again like Bank Nifty. This is also making a double bottom pattern. You can see here double bottom pattern. Breakout is still pending. It has not broken out. Of course, the breaking level, breakout level is 24,600. This is the important resistance it is taking. Earlier it has taken here, and then again on Friday also it has taken the resistance around the 24,500 to 600, between the 500 to 600, 24,500 to 600. So 24,500 to 24,600 is very crucial. This candle जो फ्राइडे में बनी है, this candle is indecisive, confusion वाली candle है. तो this candle is indecisive. We cannot know, oh, is it showing positive sign or negative sign. But yes, we have to watch closely the next movement. If it's breaking this 24,600, it may go to the level of 26,000, 24,800 also, which will be again an important resistance, this level 24,800 tak. लेकिन अगर as the news coming from the geopolitical situation, US Iran war, which is already again started, again ceasefire is over, so we never know what the news is coming. We have to watch. अगर कोई negative news आती है, this may fall again back to the level of 23,800, which it is taking support from 3 4 week. Very very crucial support. See here, this week in June, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, and this is 4 week. That's why I'm taking today the weekly chart, so that the long term support, long term scenario can understand. And this is taking support. 4 week means we can say ki 1 month. Till since 1 month, it is taking the support of 23,800, and this has become the important support. I don't see if it's breaking very soon this support. But if it's breaking, then definitely it will reach to the level of 23,000 also. But I am not jumping this level for short term, at least for next week. Yes, I will stick with the 23,800 only, and the resistance I will stick with the 24,600 only, because very long time it is trading within this range only. 1 month, 1 2 3 4 4 week means 1 month, 1 month से ये इसी रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहा है. यस, it has taken little bit upside but not breaking this neckline, and this is already a neckline of this double bottom pattern. As you know, even in bank nifty also the double bottom pattern hasn't formed, but it has also not broken out. So that video I have made yesterday, Saturday, Friday. So you can check that video also. I will give link in I button. But here also the same thing happening. The double bottom breakout has not happened till now. We have to wait. We have to watch next week. So overall, this was the scenario, long term scenario I can say, या फिर कह सकते हैं mid term. Okay, mid term. So this is the mid term scenario for the Nifty 50. We need to watch as the US Iran war also started again. So please check out that TCS Q1 updates, the dividend updates, and the important levels I have discussed. If you are interested to buy TCS, please be aware with the levels, then jump in. Otherwise, stay away. And in Nifty 50, yes, Nifty 50 important support 23,800, and important resistance is 24,600. Breaking 24,600, again it will reach to the 24,800. Like and share this video with your friends, and subscribe the channel also for stock market updates. Signing off.